we're going to compare the OWKAR and FoodSaver vacuum sealers. Both are vacuum sealing devices, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. So let's see which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's start with OWKAR. This is the OWKAR vacuum sealer. It has a classy, premium look and feel with good build quality. The plastic construction feels solid and well-made without being bulky. FoodSaver isn't bulky either, but it comes with a docking station, which some users may find less convenient. I'll talk more about that later. OWKAR features a built-in display. When you press the button, the display shows the battery percentage and indicates when the vacuum function is running. The display area also has a premium textured finish that adds to the overall feel of the product. The front compartment can be opened if you're vacuum sealing wet foods. Any liquid that gets sucked in collects here. There's a clearly marked maximum fill line, and exceeding it could potentially cause internal damage. So it's important to make sure the liquid level stays below the maximum mark. The compartment includes a sealing gasket to ensure strong suction, which is standard on most vacuum sealers. The unit also features attractive OWKAR branding and has a sleek pearl white finish that gives it a modern, premium appearance. One major advantage is the USB-C charging port. Unlike the FoodSaver, OWKAR can be charged with a standard USB-C cable. The port is protected by a rubber cover to help prevent water or moisture from entering while working in the kitchen. Now let's move on to the FoodSaver. FoodSaver also gives off a premium feel. It is a well-known brand that has been on the market for a long time, and many people already use it in their homes. Because of its reputation and long presence in the market, it is considered a trusted and popular product. The overall look and feel of the FoodSaver make it seem like a high-end, best-in-class product. One of its standout features is the dedicated marinate button. In addition to the standard vacuum mode, it has a separate marinating mode, designed specifically for marinating meat, fish, and other foods. Instead of a display, FoodSaver uses LED indicators. While OWKAR shows battery percentage on its screen, FoodSaver communicates status through indicator lights. Different lights illuminate depending on whether you're using the marinate or vacuum function. The unit charges through a dedicated docking station. You simply place the vacuum sealer onto the dock, leave it on your countertop, and it charges automatically. This makes day-to-day charging very convenient. Like OWKAR, FoodSaver also uses a rubber gasket to create an airtight seal during operation. A unique feature of FoodSaver is its vacuum container system. The product comes with a storage container that can be used for both food storage and marinating. The container includes a vacuum valve and an indicator that helps you see when a proper vacuum has been created inside the container. When vacuuming the container, the indicator moves downward, showing that air has been removed. To release the vacuum, you simply turn the valve back to the center position, allowing air to enter the container again. The container itself is made from high-quality food-grade plastic and is BPA-free. It is also designed for long-term food storage and everyday kitchen use. OWKAR includes reusable vacuum bags that are easy to use and can be reused many times if handled carefully. If a bag becomes damaged, replacements can be purchased separately, although the included quantity should be sufficient for most users. OWKAR also includes a clip that makes sealing the bags easier and faster. Foodsaver includes its own reusable bags and sealing clip. The clip feels slightly more premium in design, and some of the bags are specifically designed for marinating. These bags can also be used for regular food storage. A useful feature of the marinating bags is their ability to collect excess liquid during the vacuum process, helping keep the sealing system cleaner. The demonstration showed that once a bag is vacuum sealed, it becomes noticeably firm. And when opened, it returns to its normal shape. One of Foodsaver's biggest advantages is the charging dock. You can leave it on your kitchen countertop, and whenever the battery gets low, simply place it on the dock to recharge. It remains ready to use at all times. The USB-C charging port is one of OWKAR's biggest advantages. Charging is simple and convenient. The built-in display shows battery percentage, making it easy to monitor remaining charge. During testing, OWKAR appeared to have stronger suction power and completed vacuum sealing more quickly. The included reusable bags performed very well and felt durable. The sealing clip was simple and smooth to use, without scratching or damaging the bags. OWKAR also includes a much larger number of reusable bags, providing greater value out of the box. Unlike Foodsaver, OWKAR doesn't have separate buttons or modes for vacuuming and marinating. Everything operates through a single vacuum function. Another concern is the liquid collection chamber. While it includes clear warnings and fill indicators, users may worry about what could happen if liquid enters areas where it shouldn't. However, this concern applies to most electrical appliances to some extent. To test suction power, vacuum sealing sunflower seeds. Foodsaver successfully sealed the bag, but the process took noticeably longer. At first, it was even unclear if the vacuum process had completed. When the same test was performed with OWKAR, the bag sealed much faster. After pressing the button and releasing it, the vacuum completed automatically within a few seconds. The result was a tighter seal and one of the sunflower seeds was actually crushed by the vacuum pressure. Based on these tests, OWKAR appeared to have stronger suction and faster vacuum performance. Cornflakes, vegetables, and chicken were vacuum sealed using both systems. For vegetables, OWKAR used one of its larger bags . And FoodSaver used its vacuum container. Both products successfully removed air and created strong seals. When vacuum sealing wet chicken, both devices were able to pull liquid towards their collection areas. OWKAR's liquid collection system appeared slightly more effective during testing, retaining more of the liquid rather than allowing it to flow back. Additional water tests showed that OWKAR handled liquid collection somewhat better, although both products remained functional. Overall, both devices performed well with dry foods, vegetables, and meat. At the end of the review, both products were found to perform their core function effectively. If you want a well-known, established brand with dedicated marinating features and a reusable vacuum container, FoodSaver is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize faster vacuum sealing, stronger suction power, USB-C charging, battery percentage display, more included accessories, and better overall value for money, then OWKAR comes out ahead. The reviewer's overall impression was that OWKAR offered the better package. While FoodSaver remains a reliable and trusted option, OWKAR's stronger feature set, greater convenience, and superior performance in testing made it the preferred choice. That's our take on OWKAR versus FoodSaver. Let us know your thoughts and which one you prefer in the comments. Thanks for watching.